Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up bill pay automatically and save time. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. In order to set up bill pay automatically and save time in your Chase Bank, then what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Chase Bank application and then log into your account. Once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on pay and transfer option. And once you're inside the pay and transfer option, here what you need to do is select bill pay and then choose the setup or manage bill option. Then next is to add pay if needed. If the company isn't listed yet, tap add pay, then enter the company name or select from the list and add your account number from the bill and then save the pay. Most major companies are found instantly. The next is to turn on automatic payments. Simply select the pay, tap the set up automatic payments option and choose amount, fixed or minimum due, frequency, monthly, bi-weekly or etc. and payment date and select the funding account and review and confirm. Once done, you will see a confirmation screen. Automatic payments are now run on their own and you can edit or cancel anytime. Now if you want to set up automatic payments in your Barclays bank, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Barclays mobile application and log in using a security method. Next, what you need to do is tap on pay and transfer option at the bottom of your screen. Then once you're inside the payments, what you need to do is select pay or transfer and then choose schedule payments or bill pay. Then depending on the app version, the work will vary slightly. The next step is to add a pay. If the biller isn't added, simply tap on add pay option and enter the company or person name, enter the account or reference number and save the pay. Common pays include utilities, phone or internet, insurance provider and rent. The next step is to set up recurring payment. Simply select the pay and then tap set up recurring payment and then choose amount to pay each time, frequency, weekly, monthly or quarterly, start date and end date, and review and confirm the payment schedules. Then once done, Barclays will show a summary of the recurring schedule, confirm the details, and you may receive a notification or email confirmation. And once confirmed, Barclays will pay your bill automatically. Now if you are setting auto pay on the TD Bank, then first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your TD Bank application and log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is select pay and transfer on the bottom of your screen and select bill pay option. And once done, what you need to do is select add pay. If the pay company you want to pay isn't listed yet, simply tap on add pay, enter the pay name and enter your account and reference number for the bill and then simply tap on save. The bank often finds common merchants automatically. Next step is to set up recurring payments. Simply select the pay and then tap on schedule payment. Then choose amount, fixed or minimum due, frequency, start and optional end date, and pick your TD Bank account to pay from and review and confirm your choice. Once done, you will see a confirmation screen with the schedule details. Future payments will run automatically and you can edit or cancel anytime, and once you do that, you are done. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.